In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your Wix website when it's not working using 4 effective methods. We all know it can be incredibly frustrating trying to access your website only to find it's not functioning as expected. Whether you're troubleshooting for yourself or helping someone else, these steps will guide you through some common solutions. First, let's tackle the simplest option, refreshing your page. This might seem a bit obvious, but often it's the most overlooked step. Simply click the refresh button on your browser or press Ctrl plus R if you're using a PC or Command plus R on a Mac. This action forces your browser to reload the page completely, and sometimes that's all it takes to fix minor glitches or loading issues. Next, if refreshing the page doesn't work, you might want to clear your browser cache and cookies. This process is different depending on which browser you're using, but let's take a look at how to do it in Chrome. First, go to the settings menu, then click on privacy and security and select clear browsing data. Be sure to check both cached images and files and cookies and other site data. Hit clear data and give it a moment to complete. This step can resolve many problems by removing outdated files and freeing up space, which often helps websites load properly. If your site is still unresponsive after clearing your cache and cookies, trying a different browser can be a useful trick. For instance, if you're currently using Chrome, switch to another browser like Edge or Safari. Compatibility issues can sometimes cause problems, and testing another browser can confirm whether this is the case. If your website works on a different browser, this information can help guide your next steps. Finally, one more approach involves restarting both your device and your internet router. This may sound a bit extreme, but it's quite effective for eliminating any local network or device-specific issues that might obstruct your website's functioning. By turning everything off and then back on again, you're starting from scratch, so to speak, with a completely refreshed network and device connection. Remember, these steps are simple yet powerful. They often solve issues related to browsing, connectivity, and unforeseen glitches. If your Wix website still isn't working after trying these methods, it might be worth reaching out to Wix support for further assistance, as there could be server-side issues at play or deeper technical problems that need professional help. I hope these tips have been helpful and that you're able to get your website back in working order quickly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy tips on managing your web presence efficiently.